The Maxiris infrared barriers can integrate a function that enables them to filter trains from individuals. The infrared barrier creates a virtual wall and can differentiate between the passage of a train from the passage of an individual by analyzing which beams are cut. It is also capable of adapting to different shapes of trains. The Maxiris columns guarantee an accurate detection in weather events such as heavy rain or fog. A special configuration of the bottom beam makes it possible to filter the passage of small animals. Passage of birds is not detected. Whenever there is an intrusion, the alarm information is communicated from the columns to the Maxibus 3000 hub located in the control room. In the control room, there are many different ways of processing the alarm information. Triggering a simple visual or audible alarm. Possibility to associate a visual alarm verification via the video system. Displaying on a screen the exact location of the intrusion using a site plan. Guard intervention to arrest the intruder. Maxiris is a high-security perimeter intrusion detection system.